Alright, we've got a one bedroom that we're going to be cleaning. This is one that we showed a while back because we came up here and took out some gum and everything. It was in the carpet right in this area. And since that time, the maintenance people have been up here and finished the apartment. We're going to also be doing the floors today. We're not going to make a lot of video on that because it's not that interesting to watch, but we're going to scrub these down real good with the machine. But you can see there's a lot of debris that has to be picked up. And we're going to use the wet dry vac to pick the stuff up because there's so much of it. You can see in the bedroom here. So the first thing we're going to do is vacuum. Here's the door. First thing we're going to do is get these carpets and floors vacuumed real good with the wet dry vac. I don't know if we'll show a lot of that because we're kind of in a rush to get this done today. But anyway, that's going to happen today. We're not going to use the sanitary. We're going to get the floors done today and do the sanitary, bring the sanitary up tomorrow when the carpets don't have any wet footprints in them and everything, and vacuum and do the carpets tomorrow. So today we're just going to do the pre-vac, a little bit of it, and the floor, so stay tuned. Alright, we did go over the carpets and the floors real quick with the wet dry vac. We didn't make any video of it, but we switched that over so we can use it for the floors now. And we just lightly vacuum the carpets too, because we're going to come back with a sanitary tomorrow and give them a good deep cleaning. But for now, he's getting ready to start doing the floor. Let's see. Yeah, and you can see the floor itself. It's not too bad, but it's got some stuff in it here and there that we're going to try to get out. Let's see over here in the corner real good. Some of the gouges and stuff are probably going to be permanent, but a lot of the, like the black scuff marks and stuff, they'll come out. So, anyway, we're getting ready to start, so stay tuned. Alright. Alright, here we go, cleaning the floors. We're not going to show a whole lot of this floor cleaning because most people think it's boring. It's boring, and then most of the time the videos just don't get that many views, and they're not that interesting to people. So we'll just get this part of the dining room for you, and that'll be it. The only reason they're doing this is the manager thinks that the previous tenant put mop and go down on the floor, and they want that mop and go taken up. So that's what we're doing here. So what we're going to do, we scrub an area of the floor, we suck it up with the shop vac, and then we'll mop it with a white rag, just a clean white rag later on, because the shop vac doesn't get 100% of everything out. Hang on, I think my pad's slipping. Well, maybe not. It's slipping a little bit. Alright, you get the basic idea. We just keep doing this and we'll shop vac it up and see how the floor looks. We'll show you how it looks when it's done. This is all we'll scrub it. We'll scrub it some more if we need to. This is all we're going to do though. Just go back over it again and again until it's done. So that's the basic gist of it. So stay tuned. Alright. We went away for a few hours and came back. We did what we could with this floor. It still looks a lot better than it did. They had one tile that came up, so the maintenance guys can be fixing that. So we just have to be careful. Walk around that. But this is an old floor. It's about 14 years old. They never had it waxed, so the tiles are pretty worn out.